Okay, this is my Hyundai Santa Fe, and I just installed that mag charger. I bought a separate right angle adapter for the USB-C. I did not use the suction cup attachment. I used a couple of zip ties, wrapped the whole arm around the post. I bought myself a nice high-powered USB-C power port to plug in to the lighter there because I have a wireless Android Auto adapter plugged into the main. Gives me a nice clean look from the driver's seat without modifying the car. My little pit, good for dropping masks, sunglasses, and other things randomly, and keeps the whole area nice and tidy. Try and get a good angle here. So you can see I made a little bundle for my wire, but overall it's a pretty tidy arrangement.